It's non-curated, not reviewed, violence, illicit substances, yeah, alcohol, you know, we could be drinking on Steam. And there is this offensive language. Oh, you little. Here's gambling. There's gambling inside here. Be careful, kids. Multiplayer and online interaction. Ooh, it's so dangerous. Let's open it and let's see how dangerous is this app. Okay, so everything looks like normal. Alright, so we are here in the Unturned and everything works. So I'll show you how the FPS is. I'm going to look down here. As you can see, the top left, it is 50 FPS. If you are looking around, it's around 30, around that range. Now let's show you what graphic it has. So the display, I have put it to 1024 576, and then we shall go into the graphics. Now here I have changed all to low. By default it to high. So everything to low, it is 50 FPS. If everything high, then it will be 5 FPS. So before this, I actually played it and found that it's unplayable. Then I realized I forgotten to change the settings, and now we are here. We are playing the Unturned with playable settings. Alright, and we are in CSGO. So let's see the video settings. So right here we have normal, 1024, full screen windowed. Now full screen windowed actually make it better. For some reason it actually increased the FPS. Global, shadow and all, by default it was high. Now I changed it to low. So before, following the auto, it was only having like 10%, 5% of FPS. Now changing everything to low, it has gone up to a playable FPS maybe. Let's do this. Right, now you see it's actually not doing much. 10-20% not playable. Before we end, there is one more thing I want to do. To turn on, no, to activate game mode. That is the most powerful thing in Linux. So let's do what I always do. Install Twix. Twix. Now we need to use Twix, then we can boost. Why is Twix not here? Alright, so this is how you install the Twix. I have no idea, just press OK. Let's see, what others do we need? Okay. Later on we will do this if needed, so I'll just close this. Alright, so let's check out where is it. So let's go to the apps and let's search for Twix. So right here, and here you are. Okay, let's see. Everything looks normal. Yep. But I do not see the add-ons. Right, so it's got genome extensions. Let's see. We cannot detect a running copy of genome. Some parts may be disabled. Alright, so I don't want to do any more troubleshooting, so this will be a fail. Remember to like, subscribe and share! Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist of my previous and future videos that is to come. So check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Amos signing out.